Morning, guys. I'm out here at a house I've washed the past 4 years. This time I'm just out here to wash the front and both sides. So this, and do the front windows. There's 9 windows here, 10 windows, I'm sorry, counting the front door. But as you can see, let me turn this around. As you can see, it's fairly clean. Just a lot of spider webs. Hardly any dirt daubers up in there. I don't know how good you can see it up there, but there's some spider webs up in there that we're going to knock down. Over here on the side. Over here on the side we got some spider webs up top. Man, that sun is killing me. Got some spider webs up there at the top, up around those eaves. That sun is tough. But we're gonna get it all taken care of today. There's a big dog in that bathroom right there. That's a good place for it, in that bathroom. As you can tell, we're right on the lake here. This would be Cross Lake. The north side of Cross Lake. Let me take you around and show you the rest of the front. As you can tell, it's a 2-story house. I've got all my property protection done already. Up in here, pretty nasty. Got some big old spider web there. There's one up there in that corner. And then we got a couple of windows up top we're going to have to clean. Spider webs around them. Dirt dauber looks like dirt dauber right there. Right there. Where you at? Right there. But other than that, it's pretty much a straightforward house wash. Window cleaning. I think I'm going to start with my windows first. Get all them knocked out. And I got to do this side over here also. This side not quite as bad as the other. There's the lake. Beautiful morning here. I don't know what the temperature is. When I left my house, it was probably around 40 degrees. It's warmed up quite a bit. I got all my hoses pulled. All my hoses are pulled out. Alright, there's my mean machine right there. Simpson 4 gallon a minute AAA pump. 200 feet of pressure hose, 200 feet of soft wash hose. My water tank for my soft wash, and then whenever I have a job requiring soft wash, right there's my bleach tank. But for these residentials, I just use that 5 gallon bucket. I got my 12 volt pump under there, and then back there in the back, and that other one is my battery. So that's it. Windows, I last washed them 2 years ago. I did all of them the whole way around the house. Last time I washed the house, which was, I'm sorry, time before last that I washed the house. I washed the house last year, but did not do the windows. This year, it was the year before that I did the house and windows, inside and out. And these windows up top, especially that one I'm working on now, has got a lot of dirt dauber poop on it. for lack of a better term. All right, got this wrapped up, got paid, got everything rolled up. Let me flip this phone around. All finished up. Got about 99% of the spider webs down. But this is life in the country by a lake. So, customer was happy. Got all my windows washed. I did that before I did the power washing, and I've never done it that way before. I've always power washed and then had mud up to my elbows just about on those window sills. So I thought I'd try a different way today. So I went ahead and did my window cleaning first. All that up there looked pretty good. She was happy. So I thought I'd wash my windows first today. And I think it turned out pretty good. Look at the shine on those windows. It was definitely not there. Up top were filled with spider webs. We got all of them. When I say we, I got all of them. And then down here, all of these, look at the shine, the reflection on that window. The customer come out to look. And she's got 2 dogs inside. And when she come out, that pit bull come at me. This is all clean. She's real happy with everything. So if she's happy, I'm happy.